How to buy MOG, the MOG coin. Now, before you buy this token, check their X account. As you can see from here, as you can see, make sure to take a look on their X account. They have a big community there. Just go and check their community. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by open it on CoinMarketCap, as you can see. Now go to contracts to copy their token address that came under the Ethereum network. Now to be able to buy this token, it's by going and open your Bitget wallet like this, and now log into your wallets. Now after that, click on unlock wallet. Now after that, select the network as Ethereum and click on this little plus icon. From here, paste the token address, as you can see, to be able to find your token. Now click on plus. Now after that, go back to your wallet, and as you can see, you will find it here. Now click on it and click on swap. Now switch it from here to be able to buy it. Now here, select the crypto that you want to buy with, for example USDT. Now make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy, and after a few seconds you will be able to see how much you will receive. Now it's easy, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on Bitget wallet. So this is how to buy the MOG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.